Welcome. If you are preparing for your June attempt for UGC NET examination or your forthcoming December attempt, here is a list of must-to-do topics. So, our study material comes under 4 books. It's Physical Geography, Human and Economic Geography, India Geography, and the techniques, the geographical techniques, which includes GIS, remote sensing, as well as cartography and projection. So, now, what are the topics that you must prepare for your forthcoming examination? If you go on to the list of chapter details, in each of these you would see a hand sign here. Like for geomorphology, we have a sign here on Thornbury's concept on geomagnetism, right? Then if you move down, you would see seafloor theory, the Hess concept. Then again the geomorphic cycles, the theory of Davis, Planck and King. Then the glacial landforms. Now again, we have given all the 5 landforms, but often we have seen there are huge number of tricky questions which are asked from fluvial and glacial section. So each of the topic which are really important, the stability, instability, Walker circulation, ENSO, have been marked with this arrow sign. So all those topics that have been marked with the arrow sign across each of these 4 books are some of the topics you must cover and should not miss. So even if you are referring some other material, just go to this TOC and see the list that we have with this marking that you see across the behavioral approach, determinism, environmentalism, Schaeffer's debate, humanist approach, world models, very important. World models extremely important, have been asked last year as well, right? So these are the topics which are precisely the ones that you must cover, and the similar approach we have identified across all the books. Again, it is important to note, throughout the books you would find QR codes. Now, if you scan those QR codes, you would go on to the respective books, respective videos. Note that these videos are different from our complete lecture tutorials. These are the videos which are part of the, in the book that you see, are part of the content which is available on YouTube, but have been covered for the topics or the targeted topics, right? So you won't find those videos across all the topics, but you would find it through the majority of the important topics, right? So cover them, practice them well, and this QR code would help you understand and practice well, right? So those are some of the important guidelines for the 4 books. Wish you all the best. Some of the important topics that you must cover before your examination. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.